You can see Captain Sam with his rolling ruler measuring out. He's got a big boat coming in. Up, the boat's getting close. Pulling out his pocket radio. This is a Sabre with the Volvo pod drive system right here. And I'm helping the new owners of that big Viking, the 60-foot Viking with twin MAN V10 1,050 horsepower diesels. There goes Captain Sam in the red shirt. And let's see where that boat is. I am at the Tiki Hut at Roland Martin's in Clewiston. And the big boat's way down there and stopped. This is one place you want to get in early so you can get prime real estate to dock your boat. I don't know if they're going to put him way down there. I didn't know there was enough space. Let's walk down there and find out.
They can do laundry wherever they're needed and just pay them well.
Well, they might try it after all. I don't know if you can see the guy with the blue shirt on the starboard wing. He has electronic controls on a wire, so he's got remote control. We're looking out over the tin shed that covers the bass boats. So that's painless. They got it in. Got somebody on the stern tying up the stern first. They'll tie up the bow second. And I'm glad to say this is a non-event. See how she handed out the bow line? Did not throw it. She handed out the bow line. So that was all easy and well done. And just a quick review. This is the big Viking that we brought in just about 30 minutes ago. A 60-foot Viking with twin MAN V10 diesels at 1,050 horsepower. If you want to learn more about docking, for all the exciting spots to go in Clewiston, ask Captain Chris.